Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have a special guest, my cousin Miya. Hi. Why don't you tell the children who you are, where you're from, what is your favorite color? You know, go wild with it. Sorry guys, she's a little shy today. I don't know where this came from. It just happened like 2 seconds before we hit record. But yeah, go ahead and tell the children the deets. Hurry. Okay, what is your name?
Miya Shea.
Okay, this is Miya Shea.
M-I-Y-A.
You heard it here, M-I-Y-A. And how old are you?
5.
5. She's 5. And what is your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple? I thought it was yellow.
Oh yeah, it's yellow and white. Yellow and white and blue and purple.
I told y'all she's crazy. But today, what are we eating today? We're eating Jollibee. Is this your first time eating Jollibee?
I eat Jollibee before.
So she has, for the record, tried Jollibee before. I have also tried Jollibee, but I've only tried the chicken. I'm gonna be trying a variety of items today. We ordered pretty much the whole menu here, if you can tell. We have some desserts here. We have ube pie. We have some peach mango pie. And then we have the pineapple refresher here.
Yeah.
I got some adobo fried rice. I'm excited to try that. And yeah, so let's just get into it. Okay, let's start. What did you order? What did you want?
I wanted the hot chicken first.
She wanted hot chicken. Okay. Let's get plates. We're gonna get plates. I'll be right back.
Yeah, we go get plates. Sorry, we're back.
We're back.
We just got our plates.
So we just got plates. We got drink. What do you got to drink?
Capri Sun.
She got Capri Sun with flavor.
Strawberry and I don't know.
Strawberry kiwi.
Yeah.
And I just have water, and then I ordered the pineapple, I want to say refresher. Let's see how this tastes. I figure why not, right? Okay. Wow, that is sweet.
Very
You want to
sweet.
try it? No? It tastes like a very, very ripe pineapple. Okay, so you just wanted
The hot chicken like this one.
1 piece of chicken and you got spaghetti.
Yes.
Let's see.
Let's dig in.
So this is how the spaghetti looks if you're not familiar.
Yeah.
This is what Miya ordered.
Yep. That's what I ordered.
Like that.
Yep.
And then 1 piece of chicken.
Yep.
Any particular cut?
Yes. I'm very excited. Okay.
You want like a drumstick or you want a thigh? I think these are all thighs. No, there's drumsticks. What you want? A thigh?
A drumstick.
A drumstick, okay.
So let's dig in. That's a very large one.
So this is a spicy chicken, 6 piece.
Yep. And let's dig in.
Okay, you dig in, girl.
I
I'm
will
gonna put this
dig
over
in.
here.
Yeah. Now. Okay, let's dig in.
So like I said, I got the adobo rice. That smells delish. And then, oh, you go, girl.
But I think it's sweet though.
I also got spaghetti.
Like the same as me.
I'm scared.
No, like actually this tastes so good.
Are you sure?
Yeah? Very good.
I heard it's sweet. Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Put that over there. I also got a little burger too. A yum burger is what I believe it's called. And then
But my mom's food.
right over there. I got the 1 piece of chicken with the Palabok. I'm probably butchering that.
And here is the flag.
I told you we did not. We ordered everything.
This
I
is
got
a flag, guys. A flag. Clary put in mine.
and the hamburger steak basically is what it's called.
I'm gonna open this. Just
Okay.
a little bit cut.
Yeah?
Eat it already.
Okay, I'm gonna start with, I was most excited to try this. The Palabok.
Oh, that thing is hot.
It looks like that.
Okay.
Is it spicy?
Yes, it is. It's very spicy flavor. Yeah.
God, let's get this situated.
But this thing is.
Is it really spicy?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's like so soft, but hot.
But hot?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm assuming that you use this lemon juice packet for this because what else would you put it on? So I'm gonna try it with and without. So on here, there's some shrimp, pork, and boiled eggs. Delish.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, I cannot with this though. Guys, let me go grab a napkin.
Here, I have.
Thank you.
Is it really spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's
I
Look at
didn't know
that.
that was that hot though.
try it.
Ow. That burns so bad.
Okay, definitely not what I was expecting.
Okay, I need juice though.
I don't know what it tastes like. You wanna try? It's like noodles.
My mouth is burning so bad.
It's good. I just don't know how to explain what it tastes like.
Yeah. I like this one though. Very good. Like sweet.
Interesting. Let's try it with the lemon juice. What is spicy? The chicken or the
Chicken.
spaghetti?
The chicken.
So do you like it?
Yes. I like the
Yeah.
chicken. I like that chicken and this one.
What's in the spaghetti? Tell the children what you're eating.
Bush curry.
Yeah, but I see what hot dog? Is that hot dog? What else had on top?
Sauce and cheese.
Sauce and cheese, y'all.
Sauce and cheese.
All right. So this is like a kind of like a long rice noodle, and there's just sauce on top with some shrimp. But I don't know what this sauce tastes like. It kind of like
I cannot though.
it's good. It's good, but I don't know what it's. Would I order it again? I think I would. Yeah.
Chill.
True. You would order the chicken again?
No.
No.
Yeah.
How come?
Cause too spicy for me.
This is a regular chicken.
Yeah, but it's so hot.
So this is the Palabok and the one-piece chicken meal,
Yep. But this thing is hot.
and it came with the drink, so you can order it as a meal. Pretty good, pretty good. I would order it again. Let's get that boiled egg on there. You see that?
Don't spill it. Like the other guy when we was watching last night. He spilled the bread.
Oh, right. Okay, let's try something else. I'm gonna come back to you because this was good. Ooh, I'm very excited to try this one. Basically, it's like hamburger steak and gravy
Oh my god, this thing is.
with the adobo fried rice. Okay, let's try the
And you guys
rice.
have to ring the bell and follow and thumbs up.
Let them know. Tell them again. Tell them one more time.
Ring the bell, thumbs up, and like and follow and share.
Period.
Period. Period.
Oh.
Stop.
Okay, there's fried rices?
I cannot with this.
Okay.
This is too hot.
You done already?
Mm-mm.
You just gonna eat the spaghetti?
Yes, do. I'm try everything, but not that.
You want?
No.
You want to try this?
Mm-mm.
So, it's basically like a hamburger steak. There's mushrooms and gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, wow. This is good.
What even is that?
Hamburger steak.
Hamburgers. Oh my god.
Yeah.
No, no.
I was like so excited for this rice, but it's not living up to my expectations. I guess when you just had like a lot of good adobo fried rices that you just
And tell where we went to tell us where we went the other day.
Oh, right. So, this past weekend was Labor Day. And we went to a lot of places. We did a lot of things this past weekend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, on Saturday, we went to this place called John's Incredible Pizzas. I'm going to play a little clip for you guys on what we did there right now. And then on Sunday, right? Sunday, we went to
The like we will see all the like fishes and sharks.
right. We went to Sequest Aquarium, and that was fun. It was very interactive.
Yeah.
If I have any videos, which I believe, did we take videos? We did. I'll play them right now for you guys to see what we did.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cute.
But yeah, we just had a very eventful weekend. Okay, definitely with this right here, thumbs up for this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the spaghetti. Oh,
You nervous?
I am, because I love spaghetti, but I don't like sweet spaghetti. And I just know, I don't like Filipino spaghetti.
Like for real, it's so good.
I need to put some Tabasco, I think, on this. Okay, so on here there's, like Mia said it earlier, there's some cheese, hot dog, the sauce.
Bro, oh my god, I cannot with the chicken. It's hot. I think it's burning my mouth.
Yeah?
Okay, never mind. I just want to eat the biscotti though. Oh, the biscotti is so good.
Wait, say it one more time. You're gonna eat what?
Eat the biscotti. Biscotti. Come on.
Okay, here goes nothing. Let's take a nice big bite of this. Oh, that's huge. Mm-mm.
You like it?
Mm-mm.
Why?
Mm-mm. Ew.
it.
What is that flavor to that?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be a boot for me.
But this thing is good though. I love it.
Oh man. You wanna try? We have our stage manager Christy behind the scenes.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Yeah, period.
And look at her tie-dye shirts.
Oh yeah, tell the children what you did.
So we make tie-dye shirts with my mom.
I need to get some water. This MSG is getting to me.
I run on my drink though. No, then.
Okay, let me try this Yum Burger. I know it's like a regular burger, but they said there's like their special sauce on top, which to me looks like
What is that?
kind of like a Thousand Island, you know, Big Mac sauce. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Guys, so I have to tell you something. My cousin P, she dyed her hair. Like no one even knows that. Like for real, for real. Okay?
She dyed her hair.
Yeah, like blonde. It was pink, that now it's blonde. Like, period. Even my cousin Brooke, right?
I don't know. You saw them.
Yeah, I saw them. Yeah, she has blonde hair too. Going a little bit.
It's like a small burger. It's just a burger. Do you want to say hi to Brooke and P? I know Brooke watches the channel.
Mm-hmm. She don't watch the video.
She don't want to say hi.
Yeah, but I will text her tomorrow.
You heard it here first, P.
P, Brooke, I know you like to like watch her videos. Like Kobe's one. And Nelly's.
I don't know how I feel about this either. Yeah, this is refreshing though. I'm not gonna lie.
Brooke and P, if you guys want to be on the channel, come for Christmas.
As simple as that. But this is refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just a tad sweet. But I think everything drink-wise tastes sweet to me. I don't know why. Maybe because I normally like drink water. And I'll drink sodas like on the weekends, but juices have been like tasting really sweet to me.
Juice?
Juice.
That's cool. I start school today.
She started school. No, you started school yesterday.
Yeah, too. And on Tuesday too. Today's Wednesday.
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah.
You said today.
Yeah, I start school today too. What's the difference?
So what then?
I don't know.
Tell them how school is going.
School was definitely my favorite stuff.
Do you have a favorite subject? What is it? I'm not revisiting this.
You don't like the biscotti?
No, ma'am. Actually, I want to eat this again. I like this. Palabok Fiesta? Or is it Fiesta Palabok? I don't know. But it's good.
Okay, what is my hot dog?
Palabok book? Oh, she don't know that. Okay. She doesn't want to try anything else. She's just jamming that spaghetti away.
I'm gonna eat it all.
She's gonna eat it all.
No, I'm gonna save it for tomorrow.
No, eat it all.
No.
It's not gonna be good tomorrow.
Yes, there is.
Yeah. The kids want to see us eat everything and stuff our faces.
I feel like I could do a lot. But I don't.
All right, let's get back into this palabok. Get some shrimp in there.
What did I say haya? And I'm like, "Just about to eat my haya," and then you say the haya.
Huh?
So I'll say, "Just about to give me one haya," and then you say haya. Just about to give me one haya.
You just whispered it like they didn't hear it.
Haya. Period.
Period.
Food.
Is that your new thing? Period. The sauce on here kind of reminds me like, you know, like a chili, like a Zippy's chili. I don't know.
Zippers.
Yeah, it's like thick in that sense, but not.
This one tastes like Jollibee. This one tastes like chicken. Wow, I see a ghost in your house. I'm just kidding. You know spirits are real?
Hmm?
You know spirits are real?
Yes. Oh, tell them
About Pennywise?
no. Tell them about
Or the Ouija board?
no.
Yeah.
Tell them about your bike.
Oh my god, yeah, I forgot. Oh my god. Hey guys, so the other day I cannot ride bike without training wheels, but now I know how. Like, without my training wheels. I'm a big kid. Period. Period.
Wow, did you guys see the transition or the evolution of her from the beginning of the video to now? This is what we get every day. I don't know who that was in the beginning. Period.
Period.
Are you done? Okay.
This is how my food looks like. You guys cannot see though. Here's my food. Here's my food. I kind of eat the chicken noodle. And here's the flag. You guys cannot see because it's too black. I mean too white. So it's too blurry to see it. Well,
Are you
shut
done?
everyone. No. I'm just gonna drink my juice.
Okay. Let's see. So you told them about your bike.
We did. Oh, and my punishments too.
Yes.
I've been training for my dad, cause boxing, and I'm getting good already. I know how to do it all by myself, and I know how to kick. Period.
Don't mess with her.
Period. If you guys mess with me, I will call your fathers
Oh, she's gonna call your father.
on my mother's phone.
On Christy's phone.
Ooh, that's where you guys get busted.
Okay, you're crazy right now.
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Okay.
I feel something touching my feet.
I ate all of this pretty much.
But why you eat that all?
Because it was good.
And look at what my hot dog looks like. You can even use it like this. But I don't want to eat the hot dog. I hate the hot dog. No.
Alright. That is all set there. Definitely would order that again.
Clearly I already ordered this.
Definitely recommend.
Do you have to get it? Okay.
Are you full already, Mia?
Nope.
No?
Can we still eat the dessert?
I know, I'm still eating, that's why.
You're still hungry? I already know you like that.
I do.
In the other one. Guys.
But Mia recently just came back to Vegas.
Yeah.
How was your trip and how was your time in Hawaii?
Good.
Hmm? How long were you in Hawaii?
6 years.
6 years, y'all. Actually, you're gone since January.
Yeah, that's true. My
So
birthday, guys, my birthday's coming up.
When is her birthday? When is your birthday?
November 16th.
November 16, y'all.
It's after Dayton's. I'm 26.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
She's turning 6. So if you guys want to send her a gift, I'm going to put her link below. And you can definitely do that. Cash accepted. Cash tips only. Thank you. But she's turning 6. What do you want to do for your birthday?
Definitely Billie Eilish.
Huh?
Billie Eilish.
You want to do Billie Eilish?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Like Billie Eilish's clothes, because I love her clothes. Larry, I love her.
So you want to see her? Or you want to dress up like her?
I want to see her and jump, like, and dye my hair like her and dress up like her.
She want to dye her hair green? Or she's blonde now, right?
But she's green.
I think she's blonde.
No, she's green. Guys, she's green, right? Like, Billie Eilish is the best singer.
I mean, her hair was green, but I think she's blonde now.
No, she's not. She's green. She's definitely blonde. She's definitely not blonde.
So you want to dye your hair green?
Yes. On the top, because she have like a little green top. She have green hair on the top and a lot of black hair on the bottom.
Hamburger steak is done. This is good. I would get a regular rice versus this adobo rice. I feel like where's the flavor? There's no flavor here.
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in this?
Yeah, no. And I'm not going back to that spaghetti, I'm sorry.
Well, you can give it to me.
Perfect.
I can save it for tomorrow. I don't want
She's
one.
resourceful. She's gonna save it for lunch tomorrow. But what do you want to, besides being Billie Eilish, what do you want to do for your birthday?
Billie Eilish. Because her friend is
No, like what do you want to do for her birthday? Your birthday?
Billie Eilish.
You don't want to go anywhere?
At Disneyland.
Huh?
Disneyland.
Ooh, Disneyland, y'all tips need to come through to make that happen.
Disneyland birthday party, Billie Eilish.
Oh, she want to be booked and busy for her birthday.
Do you see Billie Eilish?
Let's start with them donations already, girl.
Where's Billie Eilish anyways?
I don't know. You're obviously a fan of her.
I like Charlie and Addison. Charlie, Dixie, and Addison.
Oh, you love TikTok.
Yeah, I love all the TikTokers and the good singers.
Since you're done with your food or you're done eating, why don't you show them a TikTok dance?
Sure.
Right here.
Okay.
But you gotta move the chair.
Okay. I will check.
Choose one. Wait, let's move this. Let's close that. You're saving that for later? All right.
This is how mine is. Wait.
Hit a girl. Wow. Oh, she got more. She don't need no music, y'all.
And that's.
Wow.
I have one more.
Oh, she got more. Crazy, bougie,
I forget
reggie.
I forget what the dance is. me butt you.
Okay, bring your chair back.
Okay.
Because do we want to try dessert?
Yahoo! Marios. Matios.
Got a lot of editing ahead of me.
Marios.
Can you pass that plate?
Gotikos, gotikos. So they have 2 desserts?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, what desserts we can eat first?
Okay, so we're gonna try dessert now.
Mm-hmm.
We have peach mango pie. Interesting, yeah. And
What
the
do you
ever
have
classic ube pie. You like ube?
Whatever that is, though.
Okay, I'm just gonna break it in half and you'll take a bite.
Mm-hmm.
Or-
So yeah, I can come nice.
Huh?
I'm surprised.
Oh, surprise.
Okay, what is it? Can I see them or no?
Okay, take that piece right there and I'll take this piece.
Oh, what is this?
Just eat it.
Hey, I don't know what that is though.
Bite it. Bite it. Bite it. There you go.
No, I don't like it.
What does it taste like? It sounds crunchy.
I don't like it.
No man for me.
You don't like it?
No, I don't like ube.
Yeah, me too. I don't eat it.
But I thought they could change my mind here, but no.
It's good for you.
I love the outside. It's so crispy, crunchy.
Me too.
Actually, it's not bad. Like the more you chew it. Yeah?
I'll just put it.
It's good. It's the texture for me.
And look where we tie-dye shirts. We got tie-dye shirts.
Okay, next one is the peach mango pie.
What is that?
Peach mango.
Why does it look so skinny? This is the same thing.
No, it's not. Okay, eat it. Bite it. Give it a good bite. Bite it some more.
It's good.
One more time.
I'm eating.
Crunchy. Do you hear the crunch?
This thing is so good.
Is it?
Oh my god.
Are you living? Let's see.
I like it.
Yeah, it's actually not bad. It's still warm.
So sourdough.
This said some ice cream would be really good. Some vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah, that was so good.
Yeah.
But that's it for y'all.
Okay, you want to do the outro? You want me to do it? You want to do the like, subscribe, and comment? Okay. All right, y'all. That's it for us today. We ate pretty much everything, right?
Yeah.
Well, Mia's saving some for lunch tomorrow. She's a resourceful girl. Yeah, I definitely recommend the Palabok. That was delish. The hamburger steak was delish. The spaghetti, I knew it wasn't gonna be for me, but it is not for me because it's too sweet for me. But Mia loves the spaghetti, right? What do you give this spaghetti? A thumbs up or a thumbs down? 2 thumbs up. Ooh. And then what else did I try? Oh, the adobo fried rice. I mean, it's okay. I definitely have tried better fried rices, but it's okay. And this is good. This is definitely refreshing in this Vegas heat, right? It was like 110, 111 degrees today. But that's it for us. Mia, tell them what's up. Let the children know.
Subscribe and ring the bell and subscribe, chat, and follow and share and like.
You heard it from her. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. We will...
And thumbs up.
Oh, and thumbs up, yes. Don't forget. Okay.
And like.
Oh, and like. All right.
victory and recount and press the YouTube channel.
You heard it. You heard it. She said it. You guys got to do it. All right, we'll see you guys.
If you guys don't do it, you guys not gonna get some cool surprise.
Oh, what is your surprise? I don't even know about this.
I cannot tell you. It's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret. Okay, you guys heard
Nobody
it.
can see it. Okay, I can show you. Okay.
Okay, you heard it here.
Peace out.
Like and subscribe for a surprise from Mia. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
You ready? Smile.
Bro, oh my god, I cannot. The chicken is hot. I think it's burning my mouth.
Yeah.
Spaghetti. Period. But why you eat that all? Like, period.